Hi, this is FlyLady Premium Mentor Emma here with day 9 of our 31 baby steps. So just like in other days, I'm just going to recap over what we're doing just as a reminder. And of course, as always, if you're not dressed to the shoes yet, hit pause, go and get dressed to the shoes and then come back when you are. Okay, so our morning routine so far consists of getting dressed to the shoes, fixing our hair and face, looking at our post-it note reminders. And remember, yesterday we talked about adding sort of an actual list rather than just the odd ones around. And of course you've got your control journal as well now if you want, and remember you can use your phone for that as well. We're looking at our FlyLady emails, and again remember that doesn't have to be by email. You can go to the website, you can use the Apple device app if you've got that as well, so that's a great way to do that. And recognizing those negative voices, that's a thing that you will need to work on for a long time for it to become easier, but it will get easier, and hopefully turning it around will help you feel less overwhelmed. And of course then there was that 2-minute hotspot that we're doing in the morning. And then our before bed routine is to keep your sink shiny, to lay out your clothes for tomorrow and do a 2-minute hotspot. And today we're going to add in a 5-minute room rescue. Now I've put a link to what that means in the comments in case you want to go back and kind of read over that. But basically a room rescue is you pick your worst room and you just work on it for 5 minutes. And you might think, well, 5 minutes isn't very long, but if you set your timer and work constantly for that 5 minutes, you will find that over a period of a week, 2 weeks, a month, you'll start to have a room that you can really be proud of, because it will make a difference. You're just clearing a path through, you're starting to make a difference. I mean, if you can get into that room and you can go for some big wins, maybe deal with the trash first or any big things that you know you may want to donate. But however you do it, don't let perfectionism take over. Just work on one small area at a time for 5 minutes. And the magic here is the consistency. It's not about how long you do it for, it's about doing it every day. And if you can just do that every day for 5 minutes, that will make such a difference to your the space that you're clearing. I'm sorry, the dog's just found a squeaky toy. So if you want to then add that in as well to our post-it note, a 5-minute, oh, my pen's not working, that's great, isn't it? I'll do that when we're done. A 5-minute room rescue, and maybe write it into your the starter of your control journal as well as a reminder. Okay, so just remember 5 minutes. You could go in there with a trash bag or a box for donations or something that you can put things in that you know live in other places, so that when your 5 minutes is up you can go and relocate those to their actual homes. Okay, I'm going to go now and leave you to it. Short and sweet today. I'll be back tomorrow with day 10. Wow, that's amazing. Tomorrow we will be just about a third of the way through and you are flying. I hope it's making a big difference to you. I know it changed my life. I'll be back tomorrow. Bye bye.